In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to issue a refund on Gumroad. First, open the Gumroad website in your browser and log into your account. Make sure you are using the account that originally sold the product. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the Sales section from the left sidebar. Here you will see a list of all your transactions and purchases. Now locate the customer you want to refund. You can search using the buyer's email address, product name, or transaction ID to find the correct order faster. After finding the sale, click on it to open the transaction details. Inside the order details page, look for the refund button near the payment information section. Click the refund button and confirm the refund request. Gumroad will automatically send the refund back to the customer using the original payment method. You can also include a short note or explanation for the refund if you want to provide better customer support. Once completed, the refund will appear inside your sales dashboard and financial reports, so you can keep track of all refunded orders. Also keep in mind that Gumroad automatically emails the customer to confirm the refund has been processed. And that's how to issue a refund on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.